Hi, how are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. This is Charles, California, and today in this video we're going to organize my large agenda. We will check this out today, so stay tuned on that. Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is Charles, California. How are you doing today? Today is an exciting one because I'm going to be able to show you how are we going to organize my GM agenda, my large agenda. I'm so excited. This is the one that I got for my birthday, and it's in a pristine condition right now. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put it all together on this today. And then this is the packages that I got from Amazon. These are the inserts for the organizer, and I bought this one on Amazon because it is cheaper there than buying that one at the Louis Vuitton store. It will cost me like $135 for the year of 2019, for the inserts for the year of 2019, and that's gonna be too much. This one cost me only $25. What happens is I was looking in there, I was looking at Etsy. It's kind of like too pricey with some stuff in there, and then it's like quarterly, monthly, weekly and stuff like that. But this one I found it on Amazon and it's only $25 for the whole year of 2019, so that's a better deal, right? So and then I just want to make it so simple. I don't want it to be a glamorous one. I don't want to, because the most important thing with me is that something that I can write into, something that it's a basic one that I can write my stuff large enough to write my daily activities in there, or the plans that I will have and stuff like that. So I'm just being practical and I'm just being simple with it. I just need a simple agenda insert. So yeah. Anyway, so this is what we're going to do today. So we're going to unbox this, and then later on I'm gonna demo it to you guys to how to put it all together. So I got a dividers. This is a simple dividers from Avery. There you go. On this one, we do have, I think they do have like six different colors. Oh, it says here 5 different colors. It's on a durable plastic. It's a binder packet. So these are the packets. See, it's just a packet of some sort of colors. So that's that. And then I also want to write things on this, so I bought this. It's from Avery too. It's a college rolled paper. So it's a filler paper that if I'm going to write things down and stuff, this is what I'm going to use that for. And then the last one that I have, so let's open this one. So this is really a simple simple way to organize your planner, and it's that inside. And I do have this at a glance. So that's at a glance type of thing. So this one, my week for 2019, keep it all together with monthly calendars. That's the thing, because the other sites you can buy separately monthly calendars for that. This one, it includes the monthly and the weekly calendars, so which is really nice. So let's check it out. I will open it up for you guys, because it will cost you $15 to $20 to buy the weekly one per quarter. So that's gonna be times 4. That's gonna be like too much. And then you're gonna be able, they're offering you a monthly calendar for $5 to $10, $5 to $15, which is gonna be a lot. But this one, I have this on. So this is the one that we have. We have the calendars in there, the quick glance calendar. And then we have the thing that I like about this one is that it's one page. It's 2 pages, but when you open the planner, you will see the whole month of January for this instance. So yeah, it's an at a glance type of thing. So which is good. And then there's a note on the back of that. So that's the monthly. So that's good. So this one is for the monthly. And then for the weekly, which is really nice, these are for the weeklies. So this is just a practical way to do it, I think, that it's not going to be too much, you know, and too expensive. It's the organizer already is expensive, and then I don't want to have an expensive inserts for this one too. So it's good enough that I can write some stuff in there. So this is gonna be what looks like the weeklies looks like. The dailies, I should say, the dailies. So yeah, I can write things in there and my important schedules, appointments, and stuff like that. So this is a convenient way for me to be able to track things, because this is what I do every single time. What I have used throughout the years, I have used this one, and so this is a really this one is a really nice upgrade to this. Currently, what I'm using, this is what I'm currently using, and I don't remember where I bought this one from. And then, like I said on my my last video, I'm going to link the unboxing video of my organizer below. So that's this. But that I was saying that it doesn't fit a 8 by 11 sheet of paper in there in the agenda, because it's too small compared to this one. Because usually what I do is I do have inserts it here. So this is what I do with my this is how I organize things, and then I write things in there. So yeah, all my schedules and stuff. So that's what I'm going to use this one for. So yeah, so it's a really nice upgrade from this to this. What I'm going to show you is to put it all together into my organizer, so it's already set for 2019. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip over the video camera. I'm going to change the angle of it so that we're able to see how I'm going to organize my agenda. So this is how we're going to do this. This is my large agenda, and then as you can see, it's new. I didn't even put it all together yet. So just going to open it. And the good thing about this one is the rings are too big, so that's perfect. And then I'm going to put this one on there, just like so. Sorry, didn't hear that. We have a big problem. It doesn't fit onto my thing. problem. It doesn't fit. Wah, wah, wah. We have a problem. The inserts doesn't fit to my agenda. All of it doesn't fit at all. It doesn't go with the rails. The rings are not adjustable. Anyway, so I have to buy another insert for this one because this one is not gonna work. So stay tuned on that. When I find a perfect fillers, insert fillers for this agenda. Stay tuned. Very much for watching. We have failed to show you how it's gonna be looking like because it's a wrong fillers that I got. Anyway, I will find out and I will look around, search around for a good fillers, insert fillers that will be suited for my agenda. So until next time, thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Hit the notification button so you will be informed about the new videos that I will be posting. Thank you very much. If you do have any suggestion, comments, and violent reaction, please do put that one in the comment section. Thank you very much. Have a good one. I will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.